to Emmanuel Crypto, and I'll be talking about if this active mining app is actually a scam or not, because that is one of the most searched item online currently. If the active mining app is actually a scam, and I'll be sharing a lot of secrets that I'm able to see about this particular mining project. I'm not a financial advisor, but at the end of this particular video, you'll be able to judge by yourself if it's worth mining this particular token or you just need to stop. Remember, that was how Pile also was being talked about, Bull talk bad thing about it because the mining took long and a lot of people were saying it was a scam, they will never come to mainnet. And fast forward to today, Pile actually put everybody on their heels and it was listed far above around, I think around $3. And a lot of people that were patient were able to make good hell lot of money out of it. So in this particular video, what I'm about to share will give you a determining factor if you need to continue mining this particular token or you just need to wait. Let me show you something really quick. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get enter or upload another new video. Thank you. So let's go back to the search term now. So this is one of the app I actually use for checking most of the search time online before creating my video. Currently, right now, you could see that you will see the overall score of the search term here, which you can see. Let me show you. Let me show you really quick. You can see this is the overall score, and this is the search volume per month, which you see is very high, around 1,368, and the competition is currently very low. That means a lot of people are not actually creating a lot of video around this particular thing, which made me to put which actually caused me to actually put this upon myself to create a video and address this particular issue. Let me show you something really quick. So before we say anything, let's talk and educate ourselves a little bit about what is active. A lot of people are just mining, not knowing anything about this particular project. But let's try and educate ourselves about this particular project. We could see here by definition that Atok, a revolutionary reward-based digital advertising platform, just the way we see YouTube, where a lot of YouTuber makes a lot of earning by anybody that actually gotten around 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour on their YouTube long video. Advertiser pays YouTube what we call the CPM, and YouTube pays those YouTubers RPM. So this is how YouTubers make their money, and this is how actors really operate. On a very daily basis, they bring out video. Brand pays them, which they give us video on a daily basis, which we watch, and they pay us. Now they don't pay us in dollars; they pay us in active token, which is just the way Google, YouTube actually was likewise. So Active is a reward-based digital advertising platform connecting users and advertisers. Active leverage blockchain. In the particular one now, what makes them a little bit from YouTube is that they leverage on blockchain with AI and big data for better ads targeting, offering hand to watch future, giving user more ways to make any during their free time. So Active has revolutionized the digital advertising landscape, establishing itself as a leading reward-based mobile advertising platform that offers user opportunity to earn passive income. Yes, we earn passive income, which is the Active token now. So Active uses cutting-edge Web3 technology to transform digital marketing. Active allows brands to run effective, cost-efficient marketing campaigns with precise targeting while offering users a full to earn reward through simple activities. Active combines smart marketing with blockchain innovation to benefit both advertisers and users. So if you don't know anything, just know that this after that we are talking about is based on an advertising platform. So these advertisers pays them and they give us in the other way around their tokens. Now you should start thinking, does this their token actually worth the price in which it is currently? Because the current price of Active is around 0.009. That's the current price. Now, I think as at this point, you start thinking, will the price actually goes up or will the price actually comes down? Does it worth holding? I think these are what things that should be running in your mind currently. So let's quickly look at the 6 ways in which you could earn. So this is some of the 6 ways in which you could earn on this particular platform are earning by working hard, earning earning for distant travel working, getting reward for avatar growth, getting reward for daily time for 3 times checking, earning extra reward for NFT ownership, and earning extra for referral program. So let's quickly look at the first one, which was earning reward through watching hard. Let me quickly show you how you could earn reward through watching hard. So when you're on the Atok app page here, if you haven't started, I will drop in my link and the referral code in the description so you can join, and a lot of videos that I've created that will help you. So you just have to come to this particular place. So when you come here, you tap. So these are the videos. They normally give us 2 videos per day. So you could see this other one. And just have to do this one. We have 200,000 people to watch, and about 5,009 people have watched. This was an announcement video. I think that's why the limit was much, making it 200,000. If not on the initial base, these are just the 2 videos that we are being given. That one was actually an extra one. So we are always giving 7 active token. So we just have an opportunity of 30,000 people per day. You could see it is saying completed 30,000 people, and we have over 500,000 people on this particular app. So that's why you need to just wake up very early and check those videos. So you could see 30,000. So this is the first one. So the second one say rewarding through this time. Actually, I've been trying to check this second one. This was the last second one. I haven't seen it on their app, but I think I will work on it to see it on this particular one. I don't know where it actually is. And this one getting rewarded through avatar growth. So this particular one, if you are talking about through the avatar growth, when you come to this particular, you could see this thing called avatar. You need to just answer few questions, 3 few questions, and you'll be given around 4 active tokens. So you just come here, you could say, you say, what do you refer in clothing? You see, just there are always 3. How frequent do you update your password? Rarely. So do you have any dietary restriction? No, I'm not a vegetarian. So you see, they'll give me around 4. You see, these are the other one. You see, my avatar is around 60, 61 currently. So the next one is, I'm just quickly showing you through the 6 ways in which you can earn through this active token. So the next one is getting rewarded daily for daily checking. Yes, you need to just come to the app every day. I think around every 2 3 hours, yeah, to just claim your reward here. You could see I'm having 1 hour left now to come. So through that place, you'll be able to check it, you'll be able to get it, and also getting reward through NFT ownership. So you can just buy some of the NFT and you'll be rewarded for having holding that particular NFT. You could see NFT redeem. So when you come to this particular place, I have no NFT currently. In this particular place, you see, this one is the free NFT. I think it's for everyone. It's for everyone. So this one is that. And the last but not the least, so the next one is through referral program that you can see here. You'll be able to earn through their referral program. So when you come to their app here, let me go back. When you come to this particular place, you'll be able to see your referral link and your referral code here. When you tap on it, you scroll down. Yes, you could see now, and I'll be dropping my link in the description. But this is your referral link and this is your referral code. So you can actually copy it, send it to your friends and family, and you'll be able to earn rewards. So to check what you are earning from your referrals, you have to actually come to this referral program. You tap on it, so you let it load. These are my earnings that I've earned from referrals, which you are seeing currently. So you tap on referral list. So now when you come, you could see I have 91 referrals. People that they also have referred, I have 96. So like that, down to 10 generation, I'll be able to, which is very cool. So let's go back to at this time now. You should be wondering and be saying that is this particular mining actually a scam or not, and if they are legit or not. So notable achievement of Actov, they are 100% self-funded. Yes, app launch. The app launched on iOS and Android around August 2004, and I tell you, we are still early because we are less than 1 million users on this particular app currently. And you know now, as that now you can actually exchange the token on Biget Wallet and also on your MetaMask. Let me show you something. What somebody actually withdraw today. This is it. The withdrawal now on Biget wallet is currently live. You can see somebody with swap is 4,000 Atok token to get this amount of BNBs, which you can see here, which say successful. But one thing I would like you to know is that you have to just check the price of Atok token and also the price on biggest wallet, because I think there's a discrepancy between the price. Yes, the person that actually this carry out this tutorial, which I'll be doing to share with my audience, the person that actually carry the price on biggest wallet is actually more down. Yes, I think they say it's around 0 or 1, whereas the current price of Active is around 0.009. So I think that is a big, huge gap. So that is it. Is swappable on Mex, on MetaMask, and also on Biggest Wallet. So the currency user growth rate is around 5,000 users a day. Yes, funded now. They did a collaboration which I will show you on their X account. They actually did a current partnership with X Lab. Now let's go on and look at the project focus on ecosystem and sustainability. Active is aiming to become the mobile app. Yes, now they are on Web3, and they are becoming the mobile ads now currently. Game changer, using Active as a native token in the ecosystem. I tell you, this token is going to do well. Advising everybody that don't sell now. Yes, you just have to hold. When you hold and they come to their full time, I tell you, you'll be able to make serious amount of money to reward and make payment for ads creation. Later on, these are just the things that we'll be able to use these tokens for ads creation, shopping mall, delivery future, and a lot of it. These are great utility which the coins will be coming into play. And if advertisers are told to buy Active token for them to be able to make payment for showing their ads to their audience, I tell you, this will make the price of Active token to actually skyrocket in the long run. So collaboration to develop cross-marketing activities with brand, projects, partners, etc. Bridging mass adoption from Web2 to Web3 user, offering a unique way to make passive income for users. I tell you, this is just a way to make a passive income for yourself. And their recent partnership is the XT Lab. So as I've been able to show you a lot of things about this particular project called the Atok token, now it is time for you to decide if it is real or is it a scam. If you believe that it is real, I tell you, put all your hearts together and continue to mine as if your life depends on it. And if I tell you it is time, you can actually delete your account. To just come down to this particular place and say you are no longer doing and just log out and just log off. That is it. I'll be waiting for your comment on what you think about the Atok token in the comment of this particular video. So remember, if you haven't like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new lives. Thank you. Bye bye.